Turbo VPN secure VPN proxy. Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you an app. It's called Turbo VPN. So this is really well known app and very popular this app. So you can see the rating of the app 4.5 out of 5 and 7 million reviews. Only 21 megabyte size of the app and 100 million plus already uses this app. So it is really easy to use. You have to just download this app from Google Play Store and App Store, and after that installing, and once it's done installing, then you will see here, tap on the connect, and you can also choose some location here, and you will see how much speed, like download speed and many things. So there are some countries are free, some countries are premium, and simply click on install. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's normal. Thank you for watching.